Okay, so here is the best way on how to set up and use Mihon app. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first step is going to be on how you can download it. So it's very simple, just open up any web browser. So I'm using Google Chrome for this video, but you have to open it up and you'll have to search Mihon download. So right over here, you just gotta open up the first website which says Mihon and then download. Just go ahead and press on download. And yeah, right over here, you just gotta go ahead and press on the main version of Mihon, not the beta, but just go ahead and press on download. So it might show up a pop-up like this, just press on download anyway. And here, as you can see, it's downloading now. So yeah, it might take a minute or more depending on your internet speed. So you just gotta be patient with it. So once it's downloaded, I'll be back. So we are back, and now what you have to do is just simply open up the installer. So I've already installed it. You just need to press on Mihon and install it. It's very simple. So once it's installed, it will show something like this, but you just gotta go ahead and press on OK. And right over here, you can just choose the theme. So I'm just gonna choose dark right over here. And then right over here, it will show you to select a folder. So I'm just gonna press select a folder. So right over here, you can just use create a new folder or choose anyone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write Mihon and create its own folder. Use this folder, allow, and here we go. We're gonna press next. Right over here, you just gotta grant the permission to the app. So just simply press on grant and grant the permissions to it. Now just get started. If you're reinstalling Mihon, you can choose restore, or new to Mihon, just do the guide and then get started. Now once you're inside the library, just go ahead and press on more, and you just gotta scroll down until you see settings. Go ahead and press on that, and right over here you'll see browse. Go ahead and press on browse, and right over here you'll see extension repos. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here what you have to do is just simply press on add, and right over here you'll see the URL of any extension that you'd like to add. So a lot of people use this extension right over here. So here, as you can see, I'll show you. It's called Kiyoshi extension. So yeah, we're just gonna do that, and it's just gonna show GitHub. So if we press on extensions, right over here there are many extensions. So what you need to do is just go ahead and scroll down until you see use it, and you'll see the URL of it. So what you can do is just simply copy this URL and just simply copy it. So if you can't copy, just do this and then copy it from right here. And once you just copy it, simply just go ahead and open up Mihon and then press on add the URL that you just copied, and then press add, and you're good to go. After that, you've added a Kiyoshi extension. So I haven't actually added it, but that is the way it will show extension repos, and it will say Kiyoshi. So once this is done, you've set it up your Mihon very nicely. So yeah, this is it. I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.